Alright, so in order to create and make our WordPress website, we need to follow 4 steps. The first step is to find a domain name, however you want to call your domain. The second step is to find a hosting company where we can host our website. The third step is to install WordPress, which is going to be our CMS platform. And the fourth step, of course, is to build the website, and we're going to divide it later on for sub-steps, okay, when we're going to get there. Now the first 2 steps, the hosting and the domain name, can be done in one shot, and I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So go to hostgator.com. You have the link also in the bonus section down below, and here click on the web hosting option on the left side. Here you have 3 options or 3 plans to choose from. You have the Hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the business plan. And the difference between all these plans is the amount of the domains that you can register under your account. Now, because it's always an option to upgrade later on down the road, I will recommend you and suggest you to go with the Hatchling plan, and if needed, upgrade it later on. So click on sign up now, and on this window you can choose however you want to call to your domain. Try, and if you see that the domain is already taken and registered, please try to be creative as much as you can, and eventually you will find the domain name that will match your brand or your business, etc. You also have the option to choose .club, .site, .org, etc. along with the .com, of course. I will recommend you to choose the .com, but it's your choice, and you can do however you want it to. Okay, so after you find the domain that you would like to register, scroll down, and here under domain privacy protection, you have the option to uncheck this box and make the cost a little bit cheaper. And if you uncheck this box, your details going to be public on the whois.com website. Alright, here under choose a hosting plan, just make sure that the plan you chose is the one that's selected, and under billing cycle you can decide for how long you would like to pay for the hosting services. Alright, so you have a 1 month, you have 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. Because I have a really nice coupon for the 1 month plan, I will recommend you to go with the 1 month plan and then upgrade if needed. Alright, so here choose a username, however you want to call it, doesn't matter. And here under security pin, over here just choose a 4-digit security pin. Keep scrolling down, and here under enter a billing information, fill out this information here, and here you can choose however you want to pay, whether with credit card or with PayPal, it's your choice. Keep scrolling down, and here under additional services, uncheck all these boxes to make the cost a little bit cheaper. You don't need it, and if you do want to have it later on down the road, you always be able to add them along the way later on whenever you need it. Okay, so for now just make sure to uncheck all of them. Scroll down, and here under enter a coupon code, I have a really nice coupon to give you that will give you the first month for only 1 penny. So right now the total amount is $23.90, and with the WP 1 penny coupon, WP 1 penny, click validate, and you can see that the amount was dropped to $12, and you can see the add-ons that add automatically whenever we validate a coupon. So we're going to scroll up again, we're going to uncheck this box, and we can see that the total amount is only $12.96, which is really good. Now here you can see that the first month is only 1 penny. Now if you decided to go with a longer period of a hosting plan, if you decided to go with the 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years plan, go ahead and feel free to use my other coupon that I have, WP25 off, and this coupon code will give you 25% off on your hosting expenses. Okay, in this case, because we only chose 1 month to go right now, this coupon is more expensive than the WP 1 penny because it's the shortest plan that we can choose. But if you decide to go with the 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years again, make sure and feel free to use WP25 off. Alright, so I'm gonna change it back to WP 1 penny. I'm going to click validate, and I'm going back up to uncheck this box one more time, and scrolling down, and you can see that it's $12.96, which is excellent. It's very cheap. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to check this box and going to click on checkout now. After you did so, all we need to do right now is to wait, because they are going to set up our account, and this process will probably going to take few minutes, so be patient. They're working on it, and our account will be set up really soon. Alright, as you can see, this is the successful screen page. They are welcoming us to the HostGator family. You can scroll down this page and browse a little bit, but there is nothing that you can do actually in this page. What you do need to do right now is go to the email address, the one that you signed to HostGator, enter your password and enter your email address and to see your account. Alright, you will receive 2 emails from HostGator. Please go to the most recent one, which is the top one, and here you can see the credential regarding of how to log into the control panel of your website. So you have the username, you have the password, you have some DNS over there, and etc. What you need to do is to click on the cPanel link, then copy the username from this email by clicking on copy, and then paste it in the right spot, just like that, and copy the password also by clicking on copy and going to paste it in the right place, and click login. Alright, so now you are inside your control panel of your website, which is amazing. Alright, so we're done with the hosting and we're done with the domain. The next lecture going to be how to install WordPress as your CMS platform.